Hello and welcome to our software Paramount. With the help of this software, you can find high converting offers from Zevizu, VariPlus and ClickBank. So, choose your affiliate offers based on your niche, based on your interest, and then use this affiliate offer to create affiliate promotional page with the help of this page builder. So, here are some high converting templates that is designed by our professional graphics designer. Choose anyone, use these templates. Everything in front of your eyes are editable. So you can edit anything. If you want to add anything, then there is also widget available that will help you to design your template. After your design is completed, you can share it on multiple social media. So here you can see, starting with Facebook, Facebook Messenger, Twitter, Pinterest, WhatsApp, Viber, Snapchat, LinkedIn, there is hundred of social media networking available over here. That will help you to reach out to more and more customer on more and more social media networking site. Now there is direct Facebook poster which will help you to create multimedia post, call to action post and carousel or video post. Inside the multimedia post you can create text post, link post, image post and video post. Whenever you need to comment or reply your customer, you don't need to do anything. This software will do it for you with the help of this Facebook comment bot. With comment template, with reply template, with automation campaign, everything can be done with one click without any hesitation. The same will go for the Instagram poster. You can post on your Instagram without any difficulties. You can create new post from here and the post will be done on your Instagram page directly. And same as Facebook, there is Instagram comment bot which will help you to comment and reply to your customer. Then there is subscriber manager which will help you to manage the subscriber, to create contact group, contact book, and there is email phone opt-in form builder which will help you to customize the subscriber based on the opt-in form builder. Then there is email marketing. We all know for affiliate marketer how email marketing plays a vital role. So based on that, we can do this email campaign. So we can set up an email API over here. We can done the email campaign with the help of this email template and email sequence campaign. Same as email campaign, there is SMS marketing. First, set up the SMS API, then start the SMS campaign with the help of this SMS template and SMS sequence campaign. Then there is e-commerce, where you can build your own e-commerce store. And from here, you can do the e-commerce abandoned cart recovery. Then there is traffic marketing analysis. In this traffic marketing analysis, you can get multiple tools which will help you to analyze your visitor, to analyze the website, for social media networking analysis, for rank and index analysis, domain analysis, link analysis, IP analysis and keyword analysis. So all this tool will help you to increase your business, to reach out to more and more customer with this traffic marketing analysis. Now there is backlink and ping analysis. Inside this you will get the Google backlink search, backlink generator, website ping, all of this to improve your business. Then there is utility tool. Apart from the traffic analysis and backlink and ping analysis, there is utility tool. Inside this you will get the email encoder decoder, meta tag generator, plagiarism check, valid email check, duplicate email filter, URL encoder decoder. Then there is website comparison, where you can compare between two websites based on their share, based on their reaction and their content. Then there is detailed training video where you can get each and everything of this software in front of you. If you are finding any difficulty using this software, contact to our support desk, raise a support ticket, and our 24/7 support will reach out to you as soon as possible. So guys, that was a short information about the software Paramounts. Once you will get into this software, you can taste the real honey of this software. Thank you. See you inside the software.